Ever wondered how software and applications are tested before they reach you? That glowing app on your mobile screen or the website that you surf through? How does it get to be so seamless, so perfect? Well, it's all down to a process called software and application testing, a world far beyond just pressing a few buttons. Imagine a chef. They wouldn't serve a dish without first tasting it, ensuring it's up to the mark, right? In the world of software and applications, developers play the role of the chef. But instead of a spoon, they use software testing techniques to ensure their product is ready to serve. The first stage in this process is requirement analysis. This is where the testing team studies the requirements of the client. They identify testable requirements and get a clear understanding of what needs to be tested. It's like understanding the recipe before starting to cook. Next comes the test planning stage. Here, the team decides the strategy. They plan what needs to be done, when and how. They also decide the resources required for testing. It's like prepping the ingredients before starting to cook. Then we move on to test case development. This is where the team writes test cases based on their understanding of the requirements. They also prepare the testing environment. It's like the chef deciding how to cook the dish. The fourth stage is test execution. The team now executes the test cases. They compare the expected and actual results. If a test case fails, they log a defect. It's like the chef tasting the dish and adjusting the seasoning. The final stage is test closure. Here the team checks if all defects have been fixed. They also ensure that the application meets the requirements. It's like the chef giving the final touch to the dish before serving it. So you see, software and application testing is a meticulous process. It's a journey that every software or application goes through before it reaches you. It ensures that you get a flawless experience every time. To summarize, the process of software and application testing involves 5 key steps. Requirement analysis, where the testing team studies the requirements of the client. Test planning, where the team decides the strategy. Test case development, where the team writes test cases based on their understanding of the requirements. Test execution, where the team executes the test cases and logs any defects. And finally, test closure, where the team ensures that all defects have been fixed and the application meets the requirements. Remember, software and application testing is not just about finding defects. It's about ensuring quality. It's about making sure that every user gets a seamless, flawless experience. So the next time you use an app or a website, take a moment to appreciate the hard work that has gone into testing it. After all, perfection is not an accident, it's a result of meticulous testing.